Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 3 International Place Value System. So you must have one question that just now we have studied about Indian Place Value System. Then what is the need of this International Place Value System? So let me tell you student, we are the Indians, we follow Indian Place Value System. But what about other country? Most of the country follow this International Place Value System. So you need to understand this International Place Value System. Okay, so here we have the chart, International Place Value chart. Here you can see the periods, then places. So ones period consists of 3 places, ones, tens and 100. 1000 periods consist of 3 places, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Same way, millions consist of 3 places, 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, now how to read and write the numerals? So let me give you example. Suppose I am writing here 2 3 1 2 1 5 3 2 1. I have used the number in place value chart. Now how to read this one? So clearly you can see 1 is in ones million place. From here you see 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in 100 place, 5 is in 1000 place, 1 is in 10,000 place, 2 is in 100,000 place, and 1 is in 1 million place, 3 is in 10 million place, and 2 is in 100 million place. Okay, so you can see 231. This is what this is, 231. That is in millions period. Okay, so we'll say like this, 231 million. Okay, then come to this period. So this is what, this is 1000 period. So here we have 215,000. Okay, this will read 215,000. Okay, then 321. Okay, 321, and these are in ones period. So we'll say 321. Okay, so the numeral name is 231 million, 215,000 and 321. Okay, so this chart is clear to you. Now the above chart can be extended to the left to include more than 9 digit. If you see the digits, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it is mentioned here, the above chart can be extended to the left to include more than 9 digit. After the million period we have the billion period. Okay, that means when we write the 10th digit, so that will be the part of billion. Okay, that will be the part of billion. When we extend the chart this side, after million we will have billion period. Okay, we will have billion period. Clear to you? So we can say 1000 million equal to 1 billion. Okay, here you can see 100 million. After that 1000 million will come, and that will be 1 billion. Okay, so ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, then 1 billion. And digits, in the digit if you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is 1 million. Okay, and if you compare with Indian system, then 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. Okay, 100 crore is equal to 1 billion. Okay, now let me give you one example. Here also the numerals you can see that is represented in place value chart. So you can see 4 is in 100 million place, 2 is in 10 million place, and 0 is in 1 million place. Okay, so 420 is in million period. Okay, so we can say 420 million. Same way you can see 1 is in 100,000 place, 6 is in 10,000 place, and 1 is in 1000 place. So we can say 161,000, because 161 is in 1000 periods. Okay, same way here you can see 2 is in 100 place, 3 is in 10 place, 2 is in ones place. So 232 is in ones period. So we can say the numeral name 420,161,232. Okay, here you can see the answer 420,161,232. Okay, now let's solve some question from the exercise. So this is exercise 3.1, question number 1. Write the numeral and number name each diagram represent. So here you can see the diagram, and diagram having roads and each roads having some beads. Okay, clearly you can see in this road one bead is there, one beads is there, and here 2 beads, here 3 beads, here 2 beads, here 4 beads, here 3 beads, here also 3 beads, and here 2 beads. Okay, now we have to write the numeral name. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 2 4 3 3 2, 1 2 3 2 4 3 3 2. So numeral name can be 12 million because 12 is in million periods. Okay, then 324,000 because 324 is in 1000 periods. Okay, then 331. This is the numeral name of this question number 1. Now for question number 2, first we have to write the numbers. So here we have 2 bits, 1 1, here we have 0 2 3 4 2 1. Okay, so this is the numeral. Now we have to write the numeral name. So clearly you can see 211,023,421. So numeral name will be 211 million because 211 is in million periods. Then 23,000 because 23 is in 1000 place. So this 0 doesn't have any value, so we will not take this one. Then 421. So this is the numeral name of this question. Okay, now we have question number 2. Write each of the following numbers in international system and write number name. So here we have the question. First we have to make them separate according to their periods. Okay, so ones, tens, first let me write here the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then this one 100,000, then million, then this one 10 million. Okay, so now we have to make them separate according to their places. To ones, tens, 100 comes under ones period, so we have to give comma. So as you can see on the screen here, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under 1000 period. Okay, then we supposed to give here comma. Okay, then million, 10 million left. Now we have to write the name for this numeral. So you can see this 31 is in million place, so 31 million. 486 in 1000 place, so 486,000, and 321 is in ones place, so we will say 321. So numeral name will be 31,486,321. This is the answer of this question. Same way we will write for this question. First we have to make them separate according to their periods, then we will write the numeral name. Okay, so this will be 236,123,565. As you can see on the screen, 236,123,565. This is the answer. Okay, so children, today whatever we have discussed, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.